Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, Asian markets are following to the gains of US markets. In fact, on Monday, we saw substantial gains for European markets as well as for US markets. Currently, Nikkei, Straits Times as well as Taiwan, they are doing well. Gift Nifty is up nearly 40-45 points. But if we just go through with the setup of the market, then there we are seeing some profit taking at higher levels despite global macros are turning positive. The bond yield is now trading below the levels of 4.50 and dollar index is at 105, which is positive. Now we need to see that whether our markets manages to hold above the levels of 22,300 or not. Below 22,300 we can expect further more weakness, but a closing below 22,300 will be negative. On the higher side, 22,570, which we mentioned on Monday that we can see some profit taking around these levels, and crossing this level will only help market to move higher. There it failed. From there all the way it came back to the levels of 22,400, and today we have to see that whether the market manages to cross 22,570 or not. Above that, again the Nifty can revisit the levels of 22,700 or even 800. As we mentioned on Monday, crossing 22,800 will be positive and will invite a lot of short covering. For the Bank Nifty, we are expecting Bank Nifty to consolidate between the range of 48,500 and 49,300 levels. There was specific news flow for bank stocks, and that's the reason we saw gap down opening on Monday, and then later it clearly failed to recover back. So bank stocks are also under pressure, and we have to see that whether they manages to sustain above yesterday's lowest level or not. Metals and minings as well as a few other sectors like auto, infrastructure, there we are seeing some profit taking, and that's the reason we need to be more and more stock specific in today's date. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a nice day to all of you.